So guys, I want you to start with those rings there or those circles there and come up with a number sequence. So do you have this? Right, what did you write here? So we're writing the position there. And our position, remember, can be called or referred to as n. So the position is n. Let's call the position n. And then our term will be Tn. All right. In position 1, how many circles do you see? 1. In position 2, how many do you see? 3. And in position 3? 5. In position 4? 7. Okay. Now they want us to look for the relationship between the term and the position. And yeah, like somebody said, we're just looking for Tn. What kind of sequence is this? Like 1, 3, 5, 7? It's linear, right? It's linear. What is 3 minus 1? 2. What is 5 minus 3? 2. And what is 7 minus 5? 2. So we have a constant difference. So that is our D there. So it means D is equal to 2. Okay, so D is equal to 2. And now we are looking for, it's Tn really that we are looking for. And we want to find Tn using the relationship between the position and the, between the term and the position number. Does it make sense? Okay, so how do we find Tn? We take the position in this case, and we times the position by, we times it by the constant difference, we'll call it D, okay? And then obviously we need to add or subtract something. It all depends what happens after that. So let's add and subtract something. So check for number 1. Number 1, if you multiply the position by D, do you get your answer? The position is 1, right? 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 2, and 2 is not equal to 1. So what do we do to get 1? Subtract 1. Now let's check whether that is the pattern. The second one, the position is 2. So take 2 and multiply it by 2, which is the difference, we get 4. But what do we do to get the 3? Minus 1. So how do we get Tn? Because now this has to continue up to n. So what do you think Tn is? It is the position first of all, right? Multiplied by the difference, which is 2, and then we subtract 1. Then please simplify that answer. So you get 2n minus 1. Okay, so this is Tn, the nth term, which is Tn. Right, it says then draw the next picture in the sequence. I think drawing that should be easy. Do you see that there is a particular order there? Like how many rows do you see for each one of these? Especially from the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, do you agree there are 2 rows?
Yes, sir.
Do you see the 2 rows? Okay. Do you see them? Okay. Do you all see the 2 rows? Okay, that's fine. Okay, so like we have, that is the first row there. And the second one is down there. So we have row 1, row 2, row 1, row 2. I think you can see the second row. Okay, so how are the number of circles increasing in the top row? They're always increasing by 1. And in the bottom row? Also by 1. So for the next picture, how many circles do you have in the top row? 5. And how many do you have in the bottom row? 4. Okay, well done. Now can you do the same thing and answer questions to, I think up to 5? Yes. Which one is that?
It says write the pattern in your own words in the
It says, okay, it says identify the relationship, then write the pattern in your own words. Yes, that's a good question. What did you say?
I said starting at 1, add 2 to get 3, continue adding 2.
Okay, say that again.
Starting at 1,
Starting at 1,
add 2 to get 3,
add 2 to get 3,
continue adding 2.
and continue adding 2. Okay, do you agree, guys? So starting with 1, or starting at 1, add 2 to get 3, continue adding 2 to get your next terms.